Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, back with another crypto video, and this one we're gonna be going over something sneaky, something new. And before we get into that, I want to say that when we hit 200 likes, I'll give away $100 for this video. Exactly when we hit it. So the exact moment when we hit 200 likes, I will send it to somebody. I'll send somebody a PM. Then you give me your BTC address, and I'll give you $100 in BTC at that exact moment. So be sure you just like this video and comment something below. Now let's get into Now let's get into my little secret thing that I found. All right, so I want to say that the credits go to Patek, who actually sent me on this thing right here. But it is very interesting what we have found. So we all know that Tron upgraded to its new side, right? Now, yeah, they also have something else. Maybe you guys already knew this, but I did not, and it is this right here. So it's the wiki.tron.network, and if you just type it in normally like wiki.tron network or stuff like that, you won't find it. And he just told me like, hey, look it up like this, and I did find it. So here you can see on the GitHub, all the way back, you can see some of the stuff that actually comes back on there. So Tron protocol, wiki, that kind of stuff. But there's a lot of this stuff that is all in here. It's all just taken up in here, and it's actually kind of nice to have such a summarized thing. So if you open the links, a lot of them don't work, but I don't know, maybe they're like just developing this and gonna give it out later at a certain point, because you still, as I said before, you can't really find it on just normal Google or that kind of stuff. But if you type in the link, you'll just find it normally. But there's a lot of cool info on here. So as an example, what is Tron? What is Tron? Here you can read Tron adopts a three-layer architecture comprised of storage layer, core layer, and application layer, storage layer, blah, 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 and the consensus, improved consensus mechanism, and DPoS. Just going to explain to you. Hey, so we had a lot of questions about this. But I had like a little discussion with Patek as well about whether it be a DPoS or a POS, because it's actually kind of vague about that kind of stuff still. So here you have storage structure with a footnote. Is that the same word in English? I don't even know. Smart contracts / virtual machine. All that stuff is all in here, and it's really kind of funny that they've put it on here, because as I said before, maybe this is out a long time, okay, but I have never seen it, and I think this would have actually made a lot of my stuff a lot easier. Could also be that they're just still programming it right now, or it could also be that somebody just made this. I don't really know how that works with like suffixes or prefixes, with websites like this. Actually, don't really know how that would work. But yeah, it's kind of interesting that there's just like everything is in here. There's the introduction, but there's all these different things. If you scroll down or just press them like this on the side, there's everything is in there. So let's actually check out CoinMarketCap. There's that one link up. That does official website, Tron.network, English HTML. It's still Chinese though. That's still bugged. I don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe I have to clear my cookies for that actually. Email, mail to service. Okay, interesting. Okay, I get it. Okay, it's just Telegram. Okay, Tron South Korea, Tron. Let's do Tron Spain. Okay, it's for Telegram as well. Okay, interesting. Contributions. So that is that in the list here as well? Okay, that's the last part in the first page. Okay, contribution to Java Tron. So Tron is built on Java, of course, instead of Solidity for Ethereum. Java. Okay, so this is without a capital letter. So I'm just thinking that it's not yet finished. They're still, typing all this stuff. Though I'm like, did they, or is this just not open for the public yet? Are they still? I don't really know the interest of that kind of stuff, like the real details about that kind of stuff. But I'm just like really amazed that there's just a site like this who can just summarize everything up about Tron. So Java is an open source project, or JavaTron. It is the work of contributors. We appreciate your help. Here are instructions to get you started. They're not perfect, so let us know if anything feels wrong or incomplete. Pull request, create issues. What do you do? Okay, so contributing to crowd-in contributors, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to the following participants who have made a great contribution to the community, and then Tron GitHub contributor, all of them in here. Tron translator contributor, all of them here. All right, so Tron Odyssey you have in here as well, which just sent you to Tron Odyssey. The internet as what it was meant to be. All right. Tron is an ambitious project dedicated to building the infrastructure for a truly decentralized internet. The Tron protocol, one of the largest blockchain-based operating systems in the world, offers scalable, robust, and high throughput support that underlies all decentralized applications in the Tron ecosystem. Tron enables large-scale development and engagement with over 10,000 transactions per second, high concurrency, Okay, low latency and massive data transmission. Tron is ideal for building decentralized entertainment apps, so the D apps and entertainment's one. And free features and incentive systems allow developers to create premium app experience for users. Tron Protocol and the TVM allow anyone to develop D apps for themselves or their communities, with smart contracts making decentralized crowdfunding and token issuance easier than ever. Tron D apps projects already include Pyro, which is, I believe, from Justin himself. I don't remember. Uplive. Oh, is that okay? Game.com, Kitty Live, and Myco, with 100 million plus active users from more than 100 countries and regions around the world. Introduction. And that's back to the first page that we were at. That's the architecture and what, like, it's just the whole thing about what Tron is. You can read about everything here. Look at how detailed this is. You can press any part. All right, so you have the Tron network in here as well. What is this going to be about? So how to build, getting the code, how to build. Oh, okay. Installing dependencies, downloading, install the IDE, build the terminal. So this is some more intricate stuff right here. Running a private testnet. I don't know why you would want to do that if you're not really into this kind of stuff. So this is not important for most of us. But this is, I guess, a tutorial on how to run a testnet. Everything is in here. It's so cool, guys. Look at all of this. Look at all of this. All right. And then open the configuration panel. Okay. Okay. Want to make it difficult, huh? Running a local node and connecting to the public testnet. That's how you do this. Whole details about everything. Deploying of Solidity node and full node on the same host. Again, whole explanation for everything. Odyssey. This is the changelog or test network. Yeah, the changelog. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay, blockchain explorers. I guess the next thing in the run here. Yeah, okay, I see. So the next thing in the list here is how to run a super representative. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Are so many pictures broken? Yeah, I think so, right? Because a lot of them are not loading in. So, yeah, it's just a whole step-on tutorial on how to do that. It's really interesting. Really quite cool, and I'm liking this. Again, most of the stuff is kind of useless, but it's nice to have it all summarized on one site, and I did not know this existed. So this will actually bring a lot more value to Tron if a lot of people know this. As I said before, I have not seen anybody cover this before, so really happy to, I guess, be one of the first ones, to actually find this. Again, shout out to Patek for showing me this this cool little site right here. So yeah, how to run a super representative. There's everything is in here, guys. Everything, every single freaking step. And if you guys have known about this for a long time, why didn't you tell me in the comments below, you douchebag? Yeah, but really, amazing. Just can't really say anything else. So if you're a Tron fan or just somebody who just likes to know some stuff that I have not covered in a video, you could just read through the whole freaking website. Just look at anything you want. Look at how detailed this is. This is just wallet CLI. So look at how many freaking things are in here. There's everything. It's everything, guys. There's just everything in here. Wow. Import wallet. Import login. There's just everything in here. How to freeze/unfreeze balance. Yeah. How to vote, even. Wow. Wow. How to create TRX. You can oh, okay. Account management. Okay. Again, this is not needed for like 99% of the people who are watching this video, most likely. But it is still cool that it's in here. Okay, so these two things have nothing in them. This still makes me think that it's just in the process of building. Maybe they're gonna be angry for me showing this. Could be. Maybe it's a secret. I don't know. Do you know, guys? I said before, I don't know. I haven't a single clue about this because I haven't seen them put anything out. So does that come over with what they put on here? It's like the same style, though I've not seen that ever come by. The migration. Here's the timeline. First launch prep, mainnet testing, Genesis Black and token migration, and SR's elections and rewards. So if you're still wondering what the actual F I'm talking about, most of the times, here you see everything. So the mainnet testing will be the 1st of June up to the 24th, and then they'll migrate all the tokens, and then, of course, the elections are going to be afterwards, and the Genesis Black, whatever. Here's a developer guide to what you have to do. Exchange guide, if you're an exchange, what you have to do. It's all on here, guys. Why? Maybe they just gave this out to people who should know about this kind of stuff, And I'm unfortunately not one of them because I did not know this, and this is so huge. It's so awesome. In a few minutes, I'm also going to be talking about the effects of everybody knowing about this. But yeah, we're going to do that in a second here. So users guide, common users. Oh, this would have made my life so much easier, guys, if I could have just explained this exact thing to you guys, just a step-by-step from their site, from their core. I mean, as I said before, we don't know, or I guess I don't even know if they made it themselves or if this is by somebody else. I don't know how the prefixes work, if somebody can just create that for an already existing thing. I don't think you can, but I don't know. And yeah, this would have just made my life a whole ton easier if it was all just written down like this. Yeah, it doesn't say the exchanges though that it's gonna be on. Yeah. Yeah, so if your TRX is held on exchange, no action is required. If your TRX is held in a wallet, please follow steps below. Just put it in exchange. That's the summary of it. And transition manual for exchanges and TRX. Yeah, that's it's not gonna. You don't have to worry about that. All right, so contracts and transactions. This is all just still in the process of making. So this one is still totally empty, which still again puts me to the fact that they're just creating everything, because the last parts on here, the Tron event. What? The Tron programming contest. Oh. Be enchanted by blockchain technology. Let minds spark their utmost brilliance, revolutionizing cooperation and complete competition. Take home $1 million for your excellence in programming. Oh, what? Tron Developer Programming Competition is a program carnival dedicated to global community members and developers based on the blockchain technology with key features of decentralization. Okay. Rules of contest, applications, developers can, okay. Okay, wow. Okay. Okay, reward pool was $1 million freaking dollars. Wallet based on Windows, including offline signature, $180,000. Blockchain Explorer, $280,000. Wallet for iOS, $180,000. Wallet on Mac, $180,000. Wallet for Google Chrome, $180 freaking $1,000. That's a lot of money. Okay, so Justin Sun is the CEO of Tron. Lucian Chen is the CTO, and they're the judges of this thing. You have to fill in the form. All right. So basic stuff, I guess. But this one is kind of filled out, though, like the event here. Here's how you work with the Tron loan. So literally every single piece of info that you would need is on this thing. This is huge, guys. Maybe you could share this with your friends so you let them know as well that this is out there. Really just going over the site here, just showing you guys everything that is in here. Here's the FAQ. Frequently asked questions. I believe there's one on their site as well. There must be, like, here in the About section, maybe. There must be a section with FAQ, right? I don't actually know where it is. Here it is. Check it out here if this is the same thing. So what is Tron? And here is questions of full node. No, this one is, it's a little bit different, guys. This one is a whole more techie. Like, look at this right here. See, this is a lot more non-user friendly as of this moment. Super representative election, all that kind of stuff. There's so much stuff in here. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is huge. Wow. I'm just wow. That's all I can say. So that's the end of the content that is in here, I believe. So if you press this, what will you see? Okay, so we covered literally everything that is in here. Wow. I'm just wow. Okay, so there's no more. Is there anything else I can press here? Table of content. I could search something. Justin Sun. Let's see what I'll find. Okay, so I'll just show you something on there. Search query. Okay. All right. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. So I'm actually just really, yeah. I've got my conclusion ready. This is amazing. This is one of the most amazing things that have been out for forever with Tron. This is just awesome. Like, there's everything that you would think about that you would have to search up could be on this wiki right here. They have their own freaking wiki, guys. What? I can just not imagine. I mean, not that I'm like try to sugarcoat, or how you would say, like shield the coin too much, like, oh, it has a wiki. No, that's just wrong. I'm just trying to say, like, not trying to push it like it's something that it's not. Like, it's just a really amazing thing because you can just look everything that you would need up in here since it's so freaking wiki. It's just, I mean, it's what it does, but it's amazing that it will have one. I don't know if we'll ever just be totally released or anything. I have no info on that at all. I have no idea if this was the intention to find, if how he actually found it. I have no idea whatsoever, but I'm still very amazed that he did, and it's really amazing what is on here. So I'm really happy that he did. And yeah, it's just awesome. So, what are the consequences of this actually happening? All right, so now that everybody will know about the wiki, if you guys share, of course, this video and maybe like and comment something to enter those giveaways, then it will just be, I guess maybe my videos will be kind of useless. Maybe some stuff you guys can just look up, and I mean, I will just still cover it for you guys, like this kind of stuff, or where is it, like the Tron event, this kind of stuff. I'll just cover as well if it's in an article and that kind of stuff. But a lot of stuff like how to convert, I can just get from the source here, from the Tron thing themselves, instead of looking it up myself and just giving you guys half-assed information some of the times maybe. I'll give you guys straight from the source. So maybe you're too lazy to look it up yourself. Okay, you know, that's okay. I can still do a video about it, that kind of stuff. But it's just all written down here, and I hope it's just official. It's just an official source. They are, they are really developing this themselves, just for us and for themselves as well. That would just be amazing. And I think the price is actually indirectly going to go up from this. So why I think that is because this shows again that they're so freaking serious about their stuff. And we were just yesterday having a discussion about how serious they are and how good developing they are. They're just putting out content after content after content, stuff after stuff after stuff, announcement after, I guess you should not call that too much. Not announcement after announcement, but just really stuff after they're just putting out things. And everybody's just liking it. Everybody's like, yes, come on, keep coming. As long as they stay relevant, that price is going to go up. And as you see in the coin market cap right now, let's just quickly open that up. Quickly. You can see Tron. It's not going down much, not going up much. It's just staying relevant, staying normal. And a lot of people thought Tron would actually die out now that BTC went down quite far. You can see it's still in here, still top 10, still $600 million above NEO. Yes, it is like 400 million down from IOTA, but that doesn't matter too much. I think Tron will actually get back to 6 because, yeah, Justin Sun said so. Not trying to say like his word is God's word or whatever, that kind of stuff. But saying that he thinks Tron is going to go back to 6 because of all the stuff that's happening right now. And I'll just follow. I'm just like, okay, it's going to 6. I'll believe you. You show me. I will agree to you. I will not deny that. So I'm just hoping for that kind of stuff. Though, if you look at the amount of market cap, we'll have to like double in price, which will be heavy, but it can happen. It can happen. Yeah, we might see that very soon. I mean, this mainnet could also bring a lot of things for us, some cool stuff. And I'm just really excited that we found this, guys. I'm just really happy with all of this. Oh yeah, so I was just talking about the external fact for the price, right? So I think externally this will increase the price because it will give a lot of people just a basis of, I guess, security. So as I said before, like I don't even know what I said. There's just a lot of things. There's a lot of things that I said here, but it's too much for me to handle right now. There's just so much, and maybe one of you guys already showed this, made a video about it. Maybe you guys already know this. Let me know in the comments below because, as I said before, this is all new to me. So really happy to find this. But yeah, maybe it's been out for a long time. I just never have seen it before. Maybe I should type it in. So maybe like Tron Network Wiki, like this. Maybe somebody has already talked about this. So let's see here. Documentation is online, the Tron Wiki. Because, it could be that everybody knew about this already, but I have just never seen about this before. All right, so here we have one of the... Okay, so here's a person all the way back in January looking this up. And I actually already know about this Reddit post because I have pressed it before. That's actually how I got to the site because I didn't know what to exactly type in. This is exactly how I got there because of this Reddit post. But if you check it out, 67 upvotes 3 months ago, 5 comments. Not really a popular thing, right? So not many people know about this. So the Tron site is out, but there's also not really much. Let's actually check this out here. Okay, so there is links, literally. If you, let's see here. Okay, so this is the Wikipedia. Is there any link to, okay, this is the countdown. Explaining their website. Maybe it is. Interesting. Justice on Twitter, Tron Twitter, Coin Reddit, Tron Review, ICO rating, Telegram, Tron Slack, what is that? Tron.slack.com, okay, I've never heard of this. No idea what that is. Okay, so here maybe in the references, make the web decentralized again, Tron Foundation. Okay, that's the net itself. White paper, Zero Chance of Crypto Gazette, BitScreener. No, okay, so there's no source like that in here. CCN, Inverse.com, Twitter, CoinMarket. Okay. I got it all. So there's not much really info about this out there. There have been some people who have looked it up since, of course, it is in here, the Odyssey. You can see the wiki already. Maybe if we look it up like this, maybe it'll give us some more results. Let's check it out. Maybe if you do it without the IO. Tron Wiki, read the docs.org/project. Okay. Aha. Okay, so a lot more people knew about this then. Okay, if it's everywhere on the GitHub, then a lot more people knew about this. Yeah, okay. So maybe for some of you guys it's not a new thing. For me it personally was. I've never seen this before, or I've seen it just on a specific page and never really checked it, could also be. But yeah, guys, I'm just really happy to find out about this. Hopefully you guys will follow me over at Twitter for some more cool tweets, maybe that kind of stuff, and just to keep you guys up to date when I make a video. And maybe you guys will join the Discord as well, because I could have let you know a little bit sooner than this video. And the Discord looks like this. Cool chat room. You can just talk about everything, about a lot of different, just random stuff. Could also join here for the free coin signals, just buying and selling and talking about that kind of stuff. There's also premium ones, but we'll get into that later. Guys, thank you for watching, and maybe like the video to enter that giveaway, and see you guys later.